Now let me tell you a story. Picture it. 1996. Somewhere between dial-up tones and gas station neon, a young man named Nik Jones is feeding his voice into a 4-track recorder, held together with just duct tape and dream. No fame, no filters, just raw, beautiful sound. Legend says he once recorded vocals by yelling into a mailbox while standing barefoot in the rain. Why? Because it sounded cool. Now fast forward. Another man, equally brilliant, equally unbothered by reality, Jim Jones 3, finds this mountain of analog chaos buried in a pile of unlabeled tapes in a garage that also housed 2 guitars, an electric toothbrush, and a broken fog machine.